but I think it's important today that I go ahead and grant the divorce. So, Mr. Watts, what is your question? I would put interrupting, please.
Okay.
I will say your name when I'm asking a question of you. Okay. What would you like to say, sir?
I want to have 50-50 custody of my daughter without no child support.
Well, that may be your goal, but that's not what you're going to get, because I have to follow any criminal case that prohibits you from having contact with victims or witnesses, and it includes your daughter. So you won't be getting that today, as the criminal bond for you and the criminal judge takes priority over me ordering something in a domestic case.
So, ma'am, is there any chances that I can get 50-50 without child support?
Without what?
Without paying child support? Without paying anything?
Well, usually it's based on the difference in incomes, even if it's shared residential, but we're not even close to that point. You're on a no contact order with criminal charges. So for now, she's going to be granted custody, and you'll have to come back into this court case and petition the court when your criminal case is over, asking for parenting opportunities. And meanwhile, yes, you do have to pay child support.
Ma'am,
What?
I only make like $600, and I got a truck payment, and I'm getting ready to go get insurance on my truck.
Okay. Why do you only make $600 out in the oil field?
Because I only make $16.50 an hour, and I get paid weekly.
Well, you make $600 a week then.
Depends if I work 40 hours a week.
Okay. And so you make $2,400 a month.
And I got rent, and I got utilities, and a phone bill, and a truck payment.
Yeah. Well, $300 is nothing for a teenager that has to be fed and clothed and housed, and all of her school activities paid for. It's pretty minimal. So the child support guidelines don't take what you have, what you pay, what you choose to have, and then tell you, okay, after that, you've got this much left and this is what you pay for child support. The guidelines take what you make, establish a standard that your child should receive in income from both parents. Only the residential parent doesn't make a payment, and that's what you're required to pay. And then you have to adjust all of your living expenses accordingly.
Okay, so I need to get the subpoena, because I'm subpoenaing her back history, because she's got felonies that threaten to kill herself and everything like that.
Okay, well, you'll have to file that when the criminal case is over. If the contact order gets lifted in the criminal case and the criminal case is over, then you come back in and petition for some type of parenting schedule. Okay?
Okay, because
what about
she signed the right to wait to her other kid.
Okay, well, that doesn't matter. Listen, this is not going to be a bashing session today. When you've had ample opportunity to contact her attorney and file any documents that you wanted with the court before today, and you're on a no contact order with her, I'm not going to sit here and have her humiliated and bashed today, because that's what you're most interested in. Now, Mr. McClendon, is there not a protection order on file?